217 Will Scarlett Lane in Elgin. We are in the beautiful Sherwood Oaks neighborhood of all custom homes and amazing mature trees. This is a fabulous neighborhood if you like to walk, with your dog, take your kids for bike rides. It's just hilly and beautiful. We're going to first show you the backyard. This home is on just shy of 1 acre. And a little something to share with you today is that this is an amazing investment opportunity. We don't come across these a lot, but if you had a desire to own a custom home, but they're all out of your price range, this is a house that you could live in and kind of do projects as you go along. It's priced at $295,000. We have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a full finished basement. You'll notice the really neat front walkway. And that's one of the cool things here is the fact that these are all custom built homes. You have these unique qualities. Love all the super tall windows. You will notice when we go inside, the windows do need to be replaced. But it's got one of the grandest entrances. Look at how open this is. The high ceilings. It's got a good contemporary vibe. There's hardwood flooring all the way throughout the first floor here. You'll notice the nice big open dining area and living room. There's 2 sets of patio doors, one out the dining room and one out the family room that we'll be showing you. Now, open concept is what's very popular these days, and you can see how the kitchen opens right to the foyer, and you could probably do something here to open up in the dining space, put a massive island in here. I mean, there's so much potential. And this all looks out onto the beautiful yard. And now we're in the family living space. You could even open up this way and make it a larger kitchen with a large eating area and you could just do such a huge island in here. A couple things I can tell you is we know the furnace is 8 years old, and being that this is on a 1 acre lot, you have your own well and septic system. These people have put in a tremendous water filtration, which is the top priority when you own a property of this type. You want to have really good quality water, and that has already been taken care of for you. We'll give you a little view here of the first floor powder room. And coming in through the garage, you'll see next is a nice kind of a mudroom. The way they've got it set up, they've got cubbies and coat hooks and shelves. So you can make that into a really cool mudroom space coming in right from the garage. And next we're going to come back through the foyer and go upstairs. We've got all solid wood railings, wood stairs here. It's carpeted upstairs. The carpet does need to be replaced. There's some trim work that needs to be done. I can show you one of the bedrooms here looking out to the backyard. And then an additional bedroom. And then there's a 3rd bedroom back here. And so you've got 3 rooms that can be for kids with a whole separate bathroom. And this bathroom has a skylight and a linen closet area behind the door. Next, we're going to walk down to the master bedroom. Master bedroom has windows with a view out to the beautiful backyard. This is a huge bedroom. And look at the size of these closets. I look like a midget standing here. They go all the way up to the ceiling. And then we're going to show you the master bathroom. The master bathroom had a construction project that was started but not completed, so go ahead and show that. So it's a project just waiting for you to finish. Now we're going to head down to the basement. So they have done some finishing down here with lots of cabinet space, countertops, kind of like a mini kitchen setup. And they have used this area here as a home theater, which again, very popular. Most people like the home theater setup, especially these days when we're doing everything at home. And then we're not going to go through all the rooms down here. There's a variety of rooms, but they have a lot of items stored in here at this time. But at the end is your laundry room area that you can finish off. It does have some windows, so you have daytime, daylight coming through. And that's it. Love this neighborhood. We've sold multiple homes here. It's just a fabulous location. And if you love nature, you can enjoy the nature, but you're also just minutes from the expressway off of Route 59. And we hope you schedule an appointment and make this your dream home.